Buddy, I wanted to talk to you about Chapter 5, specifically Section 5-3, the binomial probability formula, table, and TI calculator. There's several ways you can calculate binomial probabilities. First of all, let's talk about the table. What you can see on the screen here is Appendix A in our textbook, and I'm looking at the ebook. Table A-1 gives you the binomial probabilities. Please notice here on the left side, N is the total size of your sample or how many trials you have in the context of binomial probabilities. And then X is the number of successes. And then you have the probability for given values of P. But please notice that there are only specific ones here. Like, for example, if you had a value of P that was 0.48, I would not be able to use this table. So instead, what I would use is the binomial probability formula, which you see in this section. Given P, N, and X, you can calculate the probability for certain situations. By the way, these probabilities that you see here in the middle of this table, they were calculated using the binomial probability formula. Another thing I want to alert you to, this is on page 691, by the way, the appendix. And on, let's see if I can change it here. Not sure if it will let me. 217. There we go. Good. At the end of section 5-3, and many sections in these chapters, especially as we move forward more into inferential statistics, you're going to see these using technology boxes. They're in blue, and they give you help on using different forms of technology to solve problems in that section. For example, if you have a TI-8384 plus, the binom PDF function is really helpful for computing these probabilities. StatCrunch is also another option you have right here. It tells you what to do, that you go to Stat, select Calculators, and then select Binomial. I'm going to demonstrate that right now for you. I have StatCrunch open. So again, how do you get to it? You go to StatCrunch on the left side of your My Stat Lab screen, and then click on Visit the StatCrunch website, which will show you this screen, and then you open StatCrunch, and then you'll get to here. StatCrunch looks like Excel, but it is